Okay, what is up, guys? Yo, 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 yo. I got a very exciting video today. I've been waiting on this package for weeks, and it's finally arrived. We got a package from Nabalis. Oh, I think that might be broken. So that's epic. This is actually a big package. I got a bunch of free stuff. I got free case, which is epic. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have to give this a good look later. So this is actually very epic. Look at that. I got 2 bottles of thick lubricants. I made a video about 1 bottle of lube over there. That was the thin one. These are thick, extra hardware and stuff. And this is the main bit here. If I can open it. So, this is the one and only Nabalis Reverie. The fuck? Did you see that? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Did you see that? There was a I can't be the only one that saw that. There was a fly in there. Sorry, had a... Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I already... Oh, shit. That is beautiful. That... I don't know what it is with this purple. That is stunning. Jeez. And the... Oh, it's a bit greasy. It's always greasy. It always comes in grease. But that is nice. Oh, yeah. I'm... Okay. Tolerance is like perfect right out of the box, which is always good. It'll wear it down, but that is actually amazing. I can't wait to see this in the sun too. My Balisong's always seemed better in the sun, and it's got the logo. So this is the, I believe, 2024 Nabalis Create with Nabalis, one of the winners. Oh, okay. I already like the weight. That has got some good weight. That is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna start flipping and stop flipping out about it. Oh yeah, we also got hardware lube, which I'm never gonna use. One of the pivot needles, which is awesome. Stickers, you know, basic. Oh, they sent me 2 of these. Cool. And the lock stuff. Okay, that is... I gotta say, that flips beautifully. Oh, yeah. Okay, where's the... Yeah, it's right about there. It's where I like it. That's right where I like it. Chaplains. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, that sticks. Oh, man. You've got no idea. This thing sticks. Oh, that is the best chaplain I think I've ever done on any Balisong. That is nice. That is nice. Oh, first drop on the bed. Oh yeah, and it's got the screws at the bottom there, which is an interesting choice. I don't think I've ever seen that. Actually, I don't think I knew about that. Okay, that is the pre-lubed sound, and that is actually amazing. Now we got lubricant because I'm gonna try this on all my Balisongs at some point if I can get this open. But that, okay, first real drop. That is stunning. Both the feel, the looks, the sound actually is. That is, okay, I'm gonna come out and say this. This is my new favorite Balisong for a minute. I've been waiting on this thing for weeks, and the tracking information has not updated at all until today. I got a ton of packages coming, and then I got a message being like, hey, you have a package coming, but it didn't tell me which one. So I'm actually very happy to see having this one that, okay, this is amazing. I love this blade design. I think this is probably my favorite part when I was looking at it at the store. This blade, it's kind of crazy feel to it too, actually. It's not like super, you know, sharp. Like the corners aren't sharp. It's, oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. Best chaplains I've ever had on a Balisong. No doubt about it. I'm nervous to go fast, but once I do, that is crazy. That is crazy. Okay, also, two more things, because I'm not going to drag on this video forever. This box is supposed to, I think it broke, because it's supposed to display two different things in it. Oh. Sad. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's the, you know what the problem is? It's not glued down. Oh, for crying out loud. Well, that's what packaging and shipping does, I guess. Favorite Balisong. Okay, second note. Sorry, two more things. Keep forgetting. I'm building a computer. That's not really important for this channel. I just thought you guys might like to know. For those of you who are into computers, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of the specs. I'll make chapters in this video so you could skip over. But dude, I found 48 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Who's ever heard of 48 gigabytes? That's nuts. Oh, shit. Okay, and then my Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which is like the second best CPU you could buy right now. Amazing. Asus, hold on, I took off the skin of it because it was bugging me. Asus 5080 GeForce RTX, you know, really good GPU. And Windows 11, obviously, because Windows 10 isn't very good right now. MSI Pro X870-P Wi-Fi motherboard, that's really good. 1000-watt power supply, and then I got a Sudoku 620V CPU cooler, which is like brand new, and I'm excited to unbox this and build it. I'm just waiting on a few more components, but okay, back to the original video, because you guys probably don't care about that. 61 subscribers. 61 subscribers. That is nuts. That is crazy. That is crazy in my hair, though. I apologize for you witnessing that, but look at that. Okay, the reason this is so crazy is because today, this morning, that was 42. I got almost 20 new subscribers just from today. This is updating live. 20 new subs, which is awesome. I thank you guys so much for that. I'm gonna keep making awesome videos, make even more awesome videos. Once I get a new computer and replace that son of a bitch, I'll be able to make really good edits also. But thank you guys so much for this. It really means a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.